Top of the morning. The hardest part about the waiting season is not knowing how long you gotta wait. See, right now, what we're gonna eat today did not grow yesterday or the day before that. It took some time. The seeds in the plant and the plants that you have planted is growing. Now, you may not be able to see what's going on behind the scenes, right? You may not be able to see that plant growing up, but it's growing. If you ask any farmer what's the hardest part about being a farmer, it's waiting during the season, waiting for the crops to grow and then maintaining. Right now, if you can just hold on a little bit longer, your harvest season is around the corner. We're going into 26. Some things that you did early 25, it's gonna be ready to be pulled up and it's ready to be eaten. It's coming. You just gotta hold on a little bit longer. Don't give up. Your harvest season is coming. Think about it.